Hello, wonderful people. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hope you are doing wonderfully well. Yeah, today we are doing curry sauce. This is a special curry sauce recipe. In this recipe, I use chicken breast. You are going to love this recipe at the end of this video. So if you know you are not yet following me or subscribe to my channel, please do so to join us in this wonderful family. Thank you. Let's go. So I started by bringing out the breast part of my chicken, cut it into pieces the way you are seeing it in the video. Marinate it. I grounded the ingredients inside. You see the list of my ingredients in the comment section. I blended everything. Use it to marinate the breast chicken. Put in the freezer. Allow it to settle for some hours so that the ingredient will be able to enter inside the chicken properly. In a dry pot, I added little bit of my coconut oil because I want it to be as healthy as possible. You can use any other type of oil you have in your kitchen. Added my chicken one by one, then cover it to cook. When the chicken is done cooking, I open it to fry. I also added my chopped hot dog to fry together with the chicken. I added little onion, black pepper and some seasoning cubes. Remember, I added a lot of spices to marinate my chicken, so I don't want to add more. I don't want it to be excess in my sauce. Make sure you fry on a very low heat to avoid burning your chicken. There goes in our chicken stock. Okay, I added a little bit of water in order to get to the quantity I want for the sauce. Cover it to boil. In a bowl, I mixed 3 spoons of corn flour. That's what I'll be using to thicken the sauce. Make sure you watch this video to the end because there's some secret recipes I'm going to be revealing at the end of this video. When the sauce is really boiling, open it and add corn flour. After the corn flour, blend the coconut. If you have prepared coconut juice, you can use it. For me, I don't have, that's why I'm preparing my own now. So add the coconut juice, mix it and cover to boil.
More.
Make sure you get the consistency for the sauce before adding your vegetables. I I use a lot of vegetables, plenty. You can use any vegetable, as in all these ones. You can use as much as you want. Me, I like a lot of vegetables, so feel free to use any quantity of your choice. Please help me to share this video to your friends and family. And if you're not following this wonderful family, please do so because you'll be glad you did. I did not cover the pot in this stage because I want the vegetables to retain the color and the crunchiness, so I did not cook it for a long time. Test for your salt and seasoning. Add it as much as you want, test it and make sure that everything is fine and your sauce is ready. Serve and enjoy. Like and follow for more videos. See you in our next video. Bye bye.